If you have a website, there's a good chance you're hosting your media assets on another platform. There's nothing wrong with this if you don't mind forking over tons of money each month. But if you're looking to better manage your media, we know a way. Publitio is a platform as a service that gives you a safe and convenient way to host, upload, convert, and monetize your images and videos. Publitio lets you upload a wide range of media assets and is strong enough to handle hundreds of millions of requests, meaning your media assets will always be available and delivered at lightning speed. On top of giving you a place to house your assets, you can crop, resize, and convert images and videos on the fly thanks to a URL-based API. It's like magic. Just edit text within the URL, and your media will be immediately updated. The best way to deliver online video and images. Publitio fixes your problems with hosting, uploading, converting, and protecting your media files with its simple, scalable, and secure cloud-based storage with powerful, global CDN infrastructure. Publitio can meet your every demand and provide blazingly fast images and video delivery. Simple, secure, and super fast. Publitio simplifies the delivery of your media files while maintaining full functionality and security. With Publitio, your entire end-to-end image and video process is taken care of while giving you maximum control and flexibility over your media assets. Scalable and cost-effective. With Publitio, you can use as little or as much space you want, depending on your needs. Since everything is stored virtually, you can have endless amounts of storage space. Best of all, you don't have to break the bank when using Publitio. Our prices are transparent and increase or reduce according to your usage. Secure and always available. With Publitio, you can rest assured that your content is always protected with the latest security tools. Make your file private, playable only on your domain, and prevent anyone from downloading it with a click of a button. With Publitio's global infrastructure, your files will have blazingly fast load times and low latency for cached files, on average about 60 ms divided by request. Our infrastructure was built to scale. It can handle millions of requests by design. Core features: video and image hosting in the cloud. Publitio is new layer for cloud storage. Service is built to scale up as your usage grows, so you never have to think if you have enough space or bandwidth. Publitio was built on top of best cloud storage providers. Easy image and video upload. Before you start structuring and organizing your content and assets, you need to upload media first. The upload of new assets is self-explanatory. You can also create folders and subfolders for a better organization because with Publitio you are the one deciding what's going to happen to your files. Publitio supports uploading of common media file types like images, video, audios, and PDF documents. Fast and reliable delivery, CDN by default. Publitio infrastructure acts as CDN and is built ground up to scale. It can handle hundreds of millions of requests by design. We partner with leading cloud providers to ensure that your media assets will always be available and delivered at the best speed. Video and image optimization. With Publitio, you can optimize your videos or images by changing formats. For instance, change PNG and JPG formats to WEBP format, which is optimized for internet loading. Images can be optimized by adjusting quality, and by doing so your website will load faster. This results in better SEO and conversion rates, leading to increased revenues from ads and product sales. For videos, Publitio will convert and optimize them for web streaming in order to save bandwidth and speed up loading for users. Slides will be converted into industry standard resolutions 360p, 480p, 720p, and 1080p in formats MP4, WebM, and OGG to support all browsers and devices. On-the-fly transformations of images and videos. Leverage power of Publitio URL-based API that does on-the-fly resizing, cropping, transcoding, and conversion between formats. With the growing number of devices websites need to support, and wide range of screen sizes, it is essential to optimize the image delivery experience on each device. Real-time URL-based transformation and optimization makes it really simple to deliver images and videos customized to a particular device with absolutely minimal effort. URL transformations also support quality adjusting, cropping, watermarking, and resizing. And transformations are done simply as changing the extension or passing an options params in the file URL. Free video player for your website. Publish your media the right way. Publitio provides customizable video player as a part of service. You will have full control on how player will behave and look. Unbranded player with option to embed it on your page and show your amazing videos. Media watermarking. Protect your intellectual property. Thanks to Publitio, you are able to experience hassle-free video and image protection. You can simply watermark your image and videos. You can apply watermark during upload or at later date when you need it. Start building websites and apps regardless of how much media you need to store and upload today. For one-time payment of $79, we are offering lifetime access to our hacker plan, which includes 100 GB storage space and 500 GB monthly bandwidth for your media files, custom CNAME, domain level protection, and future updates. Why are you late? Get Publitio Lifetime access one-time purchase of $79 only.